Okay, this is Florence, the mathematics user, and we have an SSC 2004 question, and I think it's the question 9B. Now, with the first part, we are asked to expand this up to the fifth term, and we've already learned that for into bracket a plus x all to the power n is equal to n combination r, a to the power n minus r, then x to the power r. So from our question, our a is 1, our x is actually x, then our n is 12. Then as we move on, we have to end at the fifth term. So for the fifth term, we'll end at x to the power 4. So now, let's start our journey. So 1 plus x all to the power 12 is going to give us, we start with 7 combination, with combination 0. Because any number combination 0 is 1. So let's start. So 12 combination 0. Now, it should be 1 to the power 12. But understand that 1 raised to the power 1000 is 1. So we are going to ignore the 1 here. So now we continue. Then we have x to the power 0. Plus, the next one we have here is 12 combination 1, which is our second term. And we have x to the power 1. Plus 12 combination 2, x to the power 2, plus 12 combination 3, x to the power 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last one, 12 combination 4, x to the power 4. And you can see it over here. Now, so let's go. X to the power 0 is 1. 12 combination 0 is 1. Here, 12 combination 1 is 12. So we have 12x. So our 12 combination 2 is going to give us so our 12 combination 2 is 66. So 66x squared. Then our 12 combination 3 is 220. Then our 12 combination 4 is 495 to the power x, 495 x to the power 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are done with the terms we're asked to find. Now, we were also asked to use this to solve another question, and which involved the use of interest. So after this, we are going to use what we have here to solve the other question. Okay, so with the second part of the question, we're given this, and I'll pose the question. So from the question, our P was given as 50,000. Our rate is 7%, and our number of years is 12. So now we're supposed to find, the question says that we should find how much will 50,000 amount to at 7% compound interest after 12 years. So you don't need to panic. This is what we are going to do. Let's do our substitution first. We are going to have 50,000 into bracket 1 plus our rate 7 on 100, where our n is 12. If we are to continue with this, we are going to have 50,000 into bracket 1 plus 0.07 all to the power 12. And we're asked to use the I to solve the II. So that is what we are going. We are going to compare this to what we had here, or what we're given here. So for 1 plus x, we have 1 plus 0.07 to the power 12. When you compare these two, you find out that your x is 0.07. So this is what we do. We substitute the 0.07 into this. Now we are going to have, so for 1 plus 0.07, we are going to have 1 plus 12 multiplying the x, which is 0.07, plus 66 multiplying 0.07 to the power 2 plus 220 multiplying 0.07 to the power 3 plus 495 multiplied 0.07 to the power 4. So now let's so 1 plus 12 by 0.07. We have 0.84. Then we have 66 multiplying 0.07 to the power 2, which is 0.3234. Then we also have 220 times 0.07 to the power 3, which is 0.07546. Then we also have 495 multiplying 0.07 to the power 4. And this will give us 0.01188. So we sum up what we have here. So 1 plus 0.08, 1 plus 0.84 plus 0.3234 plus 0.07546 plus 0.01188. So we are going to obtain 2.25074. So now it means that our 1 plus 7 over 100 to the power 12 is giving us this. So now what we do, we multiply since this is the expression. So we are going to have, so after 12 years, we are going to have 50,000 multiplying this, which is now 2.25074. So we have 50,000 times 2.25074, giving us 112,527. So we have 112,537. So therefore, after 12 years, this will be the interest. Thank you very much.